When you're in an island, a crave for seafood is a must. Let's head down to Aseania Resort and Spa Langkawi in Chenang Beach to try out their scrumptious seafood meal at their seafood restaurant. Plates and plates of deliciously decorated seafood platter will be served to satisfy your crave. Everything is served fresh from the aquarium, and guests can pick and choose from a variety of seafood available. If you wish to eat something else other than seafood, you can also try their dinner buffet downstairs and enjoy a cultural performance show while devouring the local and international cuisine served here. Wow, looks like it's the end of our tour. But fret not, if you wish to view other interesting places to visit in Langkawi, just start the video again with different options. Have fun exploring Langkawi, the Paradise Island.